Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll talk about the timers. ODT timer. On delay timers. This is the block on delay timer. T1 is ODT. Q is here. Q124.0. Input for the setting. I124.0. Reset. TV is 5T hash 5 seconds. We need to see the characteristic of the ODT timer. If you have the input is going to be here. Suppose this is greater than or equal to the TV value, and this is less than TV value. This is our input, which is 124.0. What's the response going to be? Let's see the response here. The output is here, Q124.0. So it's going to give nothing here for the short pulse because it's less than the TV value. For this pulse, which is greater than 5 seconds, is going to wait for 5 seconds, and then it will go high as long as the input is high. When the input is down, this is going to be down. This is affect this one here. So this is 5 seconds here. Okay. There's two types of on delay timers. The other type is retentive on delay. On delay retentive. Retentive. Let me change the pen here. Okay, so this is SODTS timer. And similar, this is the set, reset. This is Q, SODTS. This is T1, suppose. This is Q 124.0, similarly. Okay, this is going to be the input 124.0. TV is here. We're going to choose 5 seconds. It's 5T hash 5 seconds, and no need for the reset here. Characteristic is going to be the same way we're going to test it, but for ODTS I'm going to do the input like this. This is the input I124.0, and let us see the response. But before doing the response, I need to use the stop. Stop is necessary here, so I'm going to here make a reset. A reset is very necessary here, 124.1. And let me draw the reset. Okay, for the reset input is going to be somehow, suppose it's going to be like this. This is the reset. And we need to see the response for the output. The output is going to be like this. This is going to be Q 124.0. So here, waiting for 5 seconds, and then the output will be high. It will be high as long as there is no reset. When the reset is arrived here, then it will go down. So this one is the cause of this one to come down. So generally speaking, all timers, you need to watch for the positive edge, of course, as we stated before for the pulse and Bix timer. Yeah, okay. So those, watch for the edges. This is, everything is working in the positive edge here. For this timer, the oddity timer, we explained that if you if you apply the short pulse, very low one, less than the TV value, then the output is 0. If it's long enough, then it's going to wait for 5 seconds, then the output is high. This output will stay high till the input is down. In the case of the oddity, is different story here. We have, when the pulse is arrived, then the output will wait for 5 seconds, then it's high. It will remain high till you apply the reset. This is very important. One very important note, this one is recommended not to have the push button for it. So this is, I'm going to write it here. No direct push button. And here we can connect the push button. Okay, for the push button. One more thing very important to note here. This is the final one. The reset here is optional. You can put, you can leave, but here is a compulsory. This is compulsory. You have to put the reset here. By this, we ending the session for the on delay timers. Thank you.